Welcome to Guitar Speed Trainer. Today's workout focuses on right-hand speed with a simple A minor pedal tone and will crank up the tempo from slow to blazing fast. As you watch the close-up of my right hand, notice how I keep my picking motion extremely tight. Your pick should always stay close to the string, don't let it bounce too high. Keep your hand relaxed and aim for a straight horizontal path, not a U shape. Now grab your guitar and let's go. Great job! If you enjoyed this exercise, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next speed training session. You can also support the channel and get access to all the backing tracks and PDFs on my Patreon. The link is in the description. See you next time and keep training smart.